this morning, sun shining bright. Left behind the city and its never-ending fight. The country calls my name, got no plans tonight. Just me and the beauty in the moonlight. I'm free as a bird in flight, soaring over valleys with all of my might. No more worries pounding, just stars shining high. I'm living for the moment that make me feel alive. Got an old pickup truck rolling down these dusty roads. With every mile I take, my heart wants to explode. Leaving behind the chatter, yeah, who needs it now? Out here it's just nature telling me how. I'm free as a bird in flight, soaring over valleys with all of my might. No more worries pounding, just stars shining high. I'm living for the moment that make me feel alive. In this wild open space where my spirit can roam, every breeze whispers this is your home. With crickets serenading, I'll dance through the night. My heart unchained sings under the moonlight. I'm free as a bird in flight, soaring over valleys with all of my might. No more worries pounding, just stars shining high. I'm living for the moment that make me feel alive. Got a guitar strumming a sweet, slow tune, sitting by the fire as the night fades to June. With every note I play, I'm crafting my dreams. In this tranquil paradise, life's not what it seems. I'm free as a bird in flight, soaring over valleys with all of my might. No more worries pounding, just stars shining high. I'm living for the moment that make me feel alive. So here's to the dawn when the world feels new, with hope in my heart and skies so blue. I'll carry this freedom and let my soul thrive. In the comfort of nature, I feel so alive.